Holy shit!
Hey, what is up, dudes? We're just on our way to skate and explore in an abandoned school. I'm not telling you which one, but I'll see you in there. We are in the school. I mean, we're going to take you on a tour around here, hopefully with the torch. But yeah. We are now off upstairs. We're going to explore the upper parts to this building.
Your night and steal your poetry. Oh man knows that I never listen. How could I have something to say? Oh man knows how to cheat ambition. You don't lose if you don't play. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's enough? Bus into College Square. If you won't let us in your world just isn't there. Old man says that we never listen. We shout about what we don't know. We're taking a path of most resistance, the only way for us to go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Was enough.
So many rooms around here. I mean, it is the middle of the day, but I mean, oh god, this school is fucking amazing. And there's a room that stinks like fuck of weed. Oh yeah, we've been
to fall like every falling leaf or the breeze. Winter wouldn't leave it alone.
Right, this is a really dark wall space. Well, we managed to just get out, had a little bit of trouble and had to, you know, last resort runs, but it was pretty good.
He's a friend made enemy, and every shipwrecked soul knows what it is to live without intimacy. I thought I heard the captain's voice. It's hard to listen while you preach, like every broken wave on the shore. This is as far as I could reach. If you go, you're weighing up your mind. Are we so?
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to leave a like if you're new to the channel. Now let's play that outro.